everybody? Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Getting into a real classic here, 1940 Mercury 8. Very weird name for a car. Definitely one you don't see anymore today, just because it was so nice back in the day. You know, it does look like a 15 car from Back to the Future, but in fact is a little different. Coming to you with a maroon exterior. As you can see, we have a tan manual top. There was no electric back in the day. Simple to see here. Very lucky if you did have a power top back then. Other than that, you had the baby moon style wheels with the white wall tires. Also in those caps, as you can see, does have the Mercury logo with the matching paint in it. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, it is a 3 on the tree. Not a lot of people know how to drive these kind of nice cars. As you can see, the wheels also big, painted that nice maroon too. Very old school cluster there. You have all your old school functions with, I don't want to label every single one, but you have choke, lights, etc. You have a push button start, lock column. You have a Smith & Wesson aftermarket temperature gauge. Very nice to have. Other than that, underneath the hood, it features a 239 Flathead V8. Only has a short amount of horsepower, but of course does ride nice, especially now that we're going to get on the nice road. Even now with the bench seat that I'm sitting on, definitely comfortable. That kind of material is definitely what true interior was made from back in the day. Not that you're supposed to fit in one kind of position kind of seat, but even take a look at that antenna floating in the air. Old school radio, definitely an old school ride here. One to just cruise around in. I know it's surprising I'm making it 50 miles an hour on the boulevard, but for now we're just going to get turned around and up on the lift. So stay tuned to see the underneath.